Hello, good and faithful people of the Church of the Mediator. It's Father Dale. I hope you're well whenever and wherever it is you hear this message this week. I send blessings along with this message. I'm coming to you from home this afternoon, and I want to remind you of a number of things. The reason I'm here in the house is because I want to remind you to put the last Sunday of October in your calendars. We'll have an open house here at the Rectory, and so I hope you'll pop through, say hello, and of course experience a time of being together as well as seeing the place here 2 doors down from the Church of the Mediator. This weekend is a busy weekend. Note that at 1 p.m. at Luther Crest, we will celebrate the life of Don Hall, who died this past week. And I hope that those of you who knew Don will come out and pray for the repose of his soul, and also commend him with us to God at Luther Crest, 1 p.m. on Saturday. Anthony and Timmy are getting married Saturday afternoon. Thank you all for being so generous in giving to our Mediator Parish gift for Anthony and Timmy. I'm really excited to be able to give that to them on Saturday. Sunday, we will have our 9 a.m. in English, followed by Adult Forum. So please plan to stay after the liturgy for Adult Forum, and then 1 p.m. in Spanish. And that will be round out a pretty busy weekend. It feels like fall today. My goodness, it was quite chilly actually. And I turned on the heat in the house for the first time. And I'm not sure if all of you may have done that as well. But reminding you, of course, to put the open house on the last Sunday of October in your calendars as well. Blessings, my friends. I will see you on Sunday. Until then.